Seen movies with gigantic dinosaurs? Wondered why these huge animals are no more? It is believed that a large asteroid hit the Earth, resulting in disastrous shockwaves, earthquakes, and fires that caused massive amounts of gas and dust in the air. The layer of dust blocked the sunlight and made the Earth dark and hotter with the trapped heat. This is called the Extraterrestrial Impact Theory. Scientists also believe that volcanoes also played a role in the extinction of dinosaurs. While dinosaurs did not survive, other animals like mammals, turtles, and frogs survived and evolved. Want to hear an interesting fact? Did you know that a group of dinosaurs evolved into birds? Next time you see a movie with dinosaurs, now you know why they became extinct. Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.